We live in a world increasingly driven by technology. Every aspect of our daily lives is touched by digital advancements, from the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed. From the smartphones in our pockets to the software that powers our businesses, code is everywhere. It's the invisible force that keeps our modern world running smoothly, enabling communication, commerce, and creativity. This digital revolution has transformed the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. We now have access to information and services at our fingertips, making our lives more convenient and connected than ever before. Understanding the language of technology is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for anyone who wants to thrive in the 21st century. It's a skill that opens doors to countless opportunities and empowers individuals to innovate and solve complex problems. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented rate, it's becoming increasingly clear that those who can code will have a significant advantage. They will be the architects of the future, shaping the digital landscape and driving progress. This isn't just about becoming a software engineer or a data scientist, though these are fantastic career paths. It's about having the ability to understand and leverage technology in any field, from healthcare to finance, education to entertainment. It's about equipping yourself with a fundamental understanding of how technology works, so you can navigate this digital landscape with confidence and contribute to its evolution. By learning to code, you become an active participant in the digital world, capable of creating, innovating, and leading in an era defined by technology. At its core, coding is the art of giving instructions to computers. It's a way to communicate with machines, telling them exactly what to do and how to do it. It's the language we use to build websites, creating the digital spaces where we interact, shop, learn, and share information. With coding, we can create apps that simplify our lives, analyze data to uncover hidden patterns and insights, and so much more. By learning to code, you gain the ability to communicate with machines, unlocking a world of possibilities. You can automate repetitive tasks, solve complex problems more efficiently, and bring your creative ideas to life in the digital realm, transforming imagination into reality. But the importance of coding extends far beyond its practical applications. It's a skill that fosters logical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. It's also a powerful tool for developing essential skills that are transferable to countless aspects of life. Whether you're a student learning the basics, an entrepreneur looking to innovate, an artist exploring new mediums, or simply someone who wants to stay ahead of the curve, learning to code can empower you with the skills and mindset needed to succeed in today's rapidly evolving world. It equips you with the ability to adapt, innovate, and thrive in a technology-driven future. In today's job market, programming skills are in high demand across a wide range of industries. From healthcare to finance, from education to entertainment, virtually every sector relies on technology to some extent. This means that individuals with coding skills are highly sought after by employers, opening doors to a wider variety of career options and often commanding higher salaries. But the benefits of coding go beyond just landing a job. It can also empower you to become an entrepreneur, giving you the tools to build your own websites, apps, or software solutions. This can open up entirely new avenues for income generation and allow you to pursue your passions on your terms. One of the most valuable skills you'll develop through coding is problem solving. At its heart, programming is about breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable steps. This process of decomposition, as it's known in computer science, is a fundamental aspect of computational thinking and is incredibly useful in all areas of life. When you're faced with a challenging situation, whether it's a coding bug or a real-life dilemma, the ability to approach it systematically, identify the root cause, and develop a step-by-step solution is an invaluable asset. Coding provides a structured framework for developing this kind of analytical thinking, which can be applied to countless situations. Section 5. Logic in action. Closely related to problem solving is logical thinking, another crucial skill that coding helps to cultivate. Logical thinking involves breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts, and then solving each part step by step. Programming languages are built on logic, requiring you to think in a precise and sequential manner. This means you need to follow a specific order of operations and ensure that each step logically follows the previous one. You learn to identify patterns, analyze relationships, and construct arguments based on evidence. This analytical approach is invaluable in many aspects of life, from academic research to everyday decision-making. These skills are essential not only for writing code, but also for making sound judgments, forming well-reasoned opinions, and communicating your ideas effectively. Being able to articulate your thought process clearly is crucial in both professional and personal settings. As you progress in your coding journey, you'll encounter increasingly complex challenges that will push your logical thinking abilities further. Each new problem will require you to apply your logical skills in innovative ways, enhancing your ability to think critically. You'll learn to debug your code, identifying and resolving errors through a process of deduction and reasoning. This not only improves your coding skills, but also sharpens your ability to troubleshoot and solve problems in other areas. This iterative process of trial and error is not only essential for software development, but also for learning from your mistakes and constantly improving your skills in any domain. Embracing this mindset of continuous improvement can lead to success in various fields, from engineering to creative arts. Section 6. The creativity of code. While coding may seem like a purely technical pursuit, it's also a surprisingly creative endeavor. Just as a painter uses brushes and paint to create art, a programmer uses code to bring their digital visions to life. Whether you're designing a website, building a game, or developing an app, coding provides you with the tools to express your creativity and build something entirely new. The possibilities for creative expression through code are virtually limitless. You can experiment with different programming languages, each with its own strengths and nuances, to find the perfect medium for your ideas. You can leverage the power of libraries and frameworks to build upon the work of others and push the boundaries of what's possible in the digital realm. Section 7. Coding beyond the computer. The skills you gain through coding extend far beyond the realm of computers and software. The ability to think critically, solve problems effectively, and approach challenges with a logical mindset are invaluable assets in any field. Whether you're pursuing a career in business, education, healthcare, or any other industry, the skills you develop through coding will undoubtedly serve you well. Moreover, as technology continues to permeate every aspect of our lives, the ability to understand and interact with it on a fundamental level will become increasingly important. From navigating the digital world safely and responsibly, to engaging in informed discussions about the ethical implications of technology, coding literacy is essential for active and informed citizenship in the 21st century. Section 8. Taking the first step. The beauty of learning to code in today's world is that there are countless resources available to help you get started, regardless of your prior experience or technical expertise. There are online courses, interactive tutorials, educational games, and supportive communities, all dedicated to making coding accessible to everyone. One of the most important things for beginners is to choose a programming language that aligns with their interests and goals. If you're interested in web development, languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are great places to start. If you're more interested in data analysis, Python or R might be more suitable. Section 9. Choosing your path. Once you've chosen a language, there are many different paths you can take to learn it. Online platforms like Codecademy, Khan Academy, and FreeCodeCamp offer interactive courses that guide you through the fundamentals of coding at your own pace. If you prefer a more structured learning environment, coding boot camps provide intensive, immersive programs that can equip you with job-ready skills in a matter of months. The key is to find a learning method that resonates with your learning style and fits into your schedule. The most important thing is to be consistent with your practice and to embrace the learning process. Remember that everyone starts as a beginner, and the more you code, the more confident and proficient you'll become. Section 10. Embracing the learning curve. Learning to code, like any new skill, takes time, effort, and patience. There will be moments of frustration, challenges to overcome, and concepts that seem difficult to grasp at first. But it's important to remember that this is all part of the learning process. Embrace the challenges, don't be afraid to make mistakes, and celebrate your progress along the way. The coding community is incredibly welcoming and supportive, so don't hesitate to reach out for help when you need it. There are countless online forums, communities, and meetups where you can connect with fellow learners, ask questions, and share your experiences. The journey of learning to code is far more rewarding when you share it with others. Section 11. A world of possibilities awaits. Learning to code is an investment in yourself and your future. It's a journey of continuous learning, problem solving, and creative expression. It's about equipping yourself with the skills and mindset to thrive in a world increasingly driven by technology and to contribute to its evolution in meaningful ways. So, take the first step, embrace the challenge, and discover the incredible world of possibilities that awaits you in the language of code.